Hello, this is Mars. This video I want to share with you the new bot called Video CTR Turbo version 2. Okay, so first let's talk about the feature come with this bot. Start with keyword spinning. So basically, you can provide more than one keyword for to try to find your video, and then the bot basically will randomly pick one from them and then do the search. And the second one is GPS coordinate. So if your video is a local video, means like the video only can be found in certain area, like for example, Dallas or Houston, something like that. The bot also, you can basically generate a random GPS location point within your local area. The bot basically will first to update the GPS coordinate, try to pretend searching from that specific area, and then search your keyword and find your video. All right. And then after that is a description link clicking. So it means like if you do provide the target link you want the bot to click in your video description, the bot will also do that and then basically just find the link, click the link, and also kind of stay on your destination page based on the time on site you set, and then we'll move on. Okay, in Proxy, yes, the bot support Proxy. I would recommend you use a really good proxy, high quality proxy, because proxy is key to make the bot like work smoothly without any issue or something like that. Multi-threading, so the bot also support multi-threading. So if you want the bot to basically do the search like 3 or 5 different instances at the same time, you can set it up as well. But again, this will based on the resource your server or your PC has, because Xenobots really need a good resource. All right, capture solving. So sometimes if you do too more aggressive, it depends on your setting. Google might pop up like requires you to solve the captcha. So currently about with a 2 captcha. So if you do have an account with 2 captcha, you can basically put that information there, and then the bot will help you to automatically solve the reCAPTCHA for you. Scheduling feature. So you also can schedule the bot to, like for me, I basically schedule the bot to run every single day. And then the bot basically go through the video list I provide and then just randomly checking the video. Okay. All right. So now let me connect to my server and I can show you the live demo of this bot. All right, so I connect to one of my servers, so you can see, you basically, when you purchase this bot, you have a 2, okay, you will see 2 video CTR Turbo bot. One's called main, one's called support. All right, so main one actually just for all the settings and kind of sending the command. And then the support bot will be the one to do the real CTR task. All right, so start with, and also only the main bot come with setting feature. So let me click the setting and open the settings page, and you take a look what it look like. All right, the setting page just look like this. So start with the video project info file. That is the file to contain all the information. So let me open the file as well. All right, I don't want to spend too much time on this because this is a live demo to show you what how the box is working. So quickly go through this. So here, column B, you just put all the YouTube URL, and column C will basically the search term. Then, like I mentioned, you support the spin format. So you can, if you have more than one keyword, you basically can just enter here, or you just enter one keyword. Column D will be GPS location file. So like I mentioned, this one, I believe this video not belong to me, but I just kind of searched YouTube and found this video. So this video actually in the Dallas area. So I grabbed the random GPS list and then just point this to this file, so that way the bot will know, okay, this video you need to kind of randomly pick the GPS coordinate from this file. All right, so visit minimum and maximum. So this means the clicks, like how, or I would say, yeah, how many search. So I put the 10, 20, 10, 20 means every single time. No, every single day only, not every single time, every single day. If the bot, we run the bot basically will randomly search each one for this video between 10 to 20 times. All right, so proxy file, just point to the proxy file. CTR links means the link in the description field. So if you have more than one links, just put it to this TXT file, and then the bot will randomly pick one from that and click the link. If you have one, it's still just put it there. All right, time on page, that's what I'm saying. Like after the bot clicked the link and it was like stayed there and also randomly, not really click any other link on your page, but basically kind of surfing or moving up, moving down, moving left. So kind of pretend a real person, try to kind of read and see what content on your page. And this is the way to set the time on page minimum and maximum. The status basically is when the bot complete the task will show the day. That's what I'm saying. Like if on this June 16, I run the bot again, the bot since already found out, oh, these two tasks already complete. It won't do anything else. So that's why when I schedule the bot to run every single day, the bot first will check the day. If that day the bot has complete, it won't do anything. But if the day is different, for example, today is June 18th, it will, oh, yeah, we need to start working on the task, something like that, okay? So that is the project info. Let me just save it, close it. All right, so here, back to here, the second one, just choose a folder to save log file. So the bot basically will record every single task it complete to the text file, so that way you can go and take a look. It doesn't really matter, but it's just for me, I always kind of keep everything so that way I can go back and check if everything not correct. The delay between action means like how each, like for example, if I will set the max number of threads, you can choose the number you prefer. Right here, I choose 3. So the bot can run up to 3 instances at the same time, but you can set the how much you want the bot to delay between each action or each instance. So I set a 30-second to 60-second before the bot to kind of call the main bot, called the support bot, to do another task, something like that. Okay, so let me just click OK. So now it's ready to start. So all you need to do is just change the number attempt count from 0 to 1, and then the main bot will start working on the task because it will check the project info file, kind of generate everything support bot need. And then once that is ready, we can click here and see it's kind of running now. Okay, now it's start sending commands, say, hey, start down. So if you want to see now the supporting bot is starting. So if you want to see what happened real time, you basically need to go to the support bot. I know it's sometimes confused, but actually the way I set it up for all my CTR bots is like this. So on the support bar, just click instance. You should be able to see them. All right, so let me move this up a little bit. All right, so the bot first, well, actually go to, right now, it's to go to the first video and then search the term, and then we'll try to find my video. And then you will click the video. One feature I forgot to mention is the bot basically will automatic collect the length of your video, and then will actually every single time it will watch between 85% up to 100% randomly. Forgot to mention, probably, yeah, I should mention this in the feature. So the bot basically every single video, you don't need to worry about, you don't need to calculate how much time you need to stay on your video, because the bot will automatically calculate based on the length of your video. Okay, so yeah, it's kind of super important feature, but I forgot to mention. So now the bot will kind of stay here pretend watch the video, and then we'll click the link in the description. Let me see here. Let me scroll a little bit. You can see the bot first will install the ad blocker Chrome extension. Oh, that one's down. All right. Okay. And then you will start moving on, because we don't want to the design here is I don't want the bot to kind of watch the ad or something like that. I want it to go straight to your video and then just stay there. Depends on the time it calculates. Like I said, it will watch your video between 85% up to 100%, and then we'll click the link. Okay. All right, so I'm just wait for the first one complete, because I want you to see when you click the link in the description. All right, so you click the link in the description. Now it go here, and then we'll stay here. You can see it will automatically moving up, moving down, and also kind of pretend watch, just reading, kind of read your content. Okay. And then again, it just make this the time on page setting is the way you said, like how long the bot should stay here. All right. All right. I believe this should be good. Yeah, that is the real short, quick live demo of this bot. Okay. Once it complete, you will kind of start adding the log file to your save folder, and then you can tackle it there. Okay, so let me pause the video, and then I'll go back to the presentation file. All right, thank you. All right, so we just watched the live demo of the video CTR Turbo bot. All right, so the price for this bot is $100 one-time fee, and after that will be $20 per month. So I will keep upgrading, adding a new feature as needed. So yeah, and thank you so much. If you have any question, please let me know, and talk to you later. Bye.